everybody. It's Dora Bishay again with ADU School and episode 9, 5 factors to consider when selecting an investment house for an ADU. Investing in ADU can significantly change your life, and our design can change your life in a way that you can't imagine. If you haven't seen all of our episodes, please go back to YouTube and Design Studio, ADU School. We have 9 episodes till now. Watch them because they are very helpful. And if you haven't heard, we have the ADU tour this Saturday at 10 a.m. If you need more detail about it, comment down and we'll let you know how to get to it. Here are 5 ways that you can decide if this property is the best property for you. First, say no to septic tanks. Septic tanks are the worst. Connecting to a sewer system will enable you to add more spaces and gives you the flexibility, reduce potential changes down the road, and reduce maintenance. Of course, buy a smaller house with a bigger land because the flexibility of doing ADU construction would be bigger. You can have an ADU, you can have an SB9, or you can have ADU and SB9 and JADU plus your house. So that's a really good potential to think about. Like this year, I'll build the ADU. Next year, I'll build the SB9. That's the plan. Location, location, location. Rental value matters. And where are you deciding to buy your house is going to matter. Return on investment is related to your location. So if I have to choose between a house that is a bit smaller but near the ocean, I would definitely choose that versus a house that is in Hammett or a house that is in the desert. Or choosing flat land. Of course, a flat land is less expensive to build on. It's easy. You just dig the foundation and put the house on it. But if you decide to go for topography and to have a hill or a mountain in your backyard, and then you decide to add an ADU, it's more complex. Sometimes you have sensitive vegetation. If the slope is too high, it's also a risk for the contractor. So he will put another risk over the risk that you're already paying before. So just to decrease the price and decrease the amount of time that you're going to build, and to decrease the complexity of the building itself and the design itself, choose a flat land. Number 5, always check for easements. Some easements are not put on the deed, but some are put. Always check for easement and covenant, because sometimes the owner would put a covenant into selling this house that you can't remove a tree or something like that. So revise your covenants, your easements. There are some stuff that is like, if I see it, I already know that you have an easement. So if you have utilities on the site, that's an easement. If you have electric pole, even if it's not like in your property, it has like a setback that you can't build in it or next to it. These are the 5 ways to choose the best land for an ADU project. We're here to help you. So if you want us to do a site visit and to compare 2 sites and give you like this site would probably be better or this site would probably be better, we're here to help you. Just comment on this video or send us an email or call us. We're here to help you with anything you need. We do charge for these services. We don't promise to be the cheapest services, but we promise to give you the best design investment that would change your life. Follow us for more episodes. Please like and share and comment on our work because that matters to us. The more comments and the more likes to us, the more we can be encouraged to do more for you. And if you have a question and you want us to answer it, please comment on the video and let us know what do you want to hear about. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.